x squared minus 5x minus 6 all over x minus 6. First of all, you must write this in a straight line, in the way that is all in the straight line. You must not have a denominator. That means that now, if this was given as f(x), we must first of all work out the numerator if we can find the denominator, because we must take rid of the denominator. We are having x as factor, we'll have 6 and 1, so that we must get the middle term negative 5. Then we'll have negative and a positive. That is the factors of that, and this is the factor of this one. And then this one now can cancel that one. Now we will have x plus 1. Then we can now differentiate. Now here we have 1. Then that means our answer is simply 1 times x to exponent 1, zip of 1. This one, because we are doing this in terms of x, that is a constant, and any derivation of a constant is 0. So therefore now our answer is simply 1 times x to exponent 0, which is simply 1. Okay, now we're getting to the next one. It will be the ones that would have square roots. Now let's look at this one. F of x is equal to cube root of the cube root of x plus 2 over x squared minus x cubed over 3. Before we can do anything about the derivation of this, we must change this to x to power something. And this, when you change it to x to power something, that will mean in an exponential form, this is x to exponent 1 over 3, plus 2, as I said, we don't need x as a denominator, we don't need anything in the denominator before we can differentiate. So everything else in terms of x, now this must change. Remember, I will have 2 to exponent. You look at 2, you see it's 2 to exponent, that's 0 there. Then when I'm taking this with the second law of exponents, that is going to change. That means I'll have x squared, which means that's 2 to exponent 0 minus 2. Same base, change the exponent. Now coming back here, we will have x to exponent 1 over 3 plus 2 to exponent x negative 2, as we have worked it out there. Then negative 1 over 3 x cubed. Remember, there is a 1 there. Normally I can see that people can't see that, but now we can see that. Now this is in a straight line now. We can now see f dash x, which now we differentiate. That will be 1 over 3 x 1 over 3 zip of negative 1 plus 2 to exponent x negative 2 take off 1 negative 1 over 3 x to exponent no, this one here, this one I multiplied over, this one I did not multiply over, which will be negative 2, that is negative 2 times, negative 2 times that story there, and take off 1, right? This one will be this multiplied by that, it's negative 3 multiplied by that, and that is 3 zip of 1, right? Now here I will have 1 over 3. 1 over 3 minus 1 is x to exponent negative 2 over 3. This multiplied by that is negative 4x, that and that is negative 3. This multiplied by that is negative 1. That will cancel negative 1. X to exponent 2. And that is the story. But I can still change this exponent to positive exponents, which means that now, to change that to a positive exponent, 1 over 3, x to exponent negative 2 over 3, minus 4, x to exponent negative 3, negative x to exponent 2. These ones can only change, only this 2. Then that I'll have 1 over 3 x to 2, 3, minus 4 over x to 3, minus x to exponent 2. This is your answer in a positive form.